200. Crazy. Put some flow in it. Wow. That's actually cool. I like it. Dropping in and then have the cave and then probably find another one. Not bad at all. See how we go with this. Okay, next waterfall is Krisik, which we don't know what it means, but we're going to find out. So you go into someone's driveway. Looks like it, eh? How crazy is this? Chicken? Okay, walk out the little path from the parking lot. Krisik Waterfall. Interesting. A little trip dropping in there. So we're going in the path now, some steps. I just saw some people leave, so maybe if we're lucky no one's here, we'll find out. There's at least 2 waterfalls. I think they're one each direction. So we'll go left for the first one. This was 25,000, so $2.50 to see this. You almost didn't have change from me, but lucky they did. So I just a 10 and a 20. Okay. Jungleness. Almost like chasm, yeah, it's crazy. We'll get a good shot of this trib in a second, probably. Wow. A bit hard to get a shot, actually. Thought it'd be easy, but maybe here. There we go. I dare say that'll be the left one we're going back to, so it drops off here. So put a fence. There's a couple of crazy people like me trying to go on the edge. I don't know why, I just became a challenge, but I did deal with it. Okay, so we'll wind our way down. I assume we'd be going back to that. Maybe that's not it. Oh, okay, it's pretty random. Ooh. I could get into there. I don't know how gorgy drops off the last bit, actually. Hard to tell. You want to come straight over. Looks like it's a hole, but I think it's just deceiving the way it comes over the edge. Like a tributary. Okay, so we'll figure out what is going on with this waterfall. I mean, let me check the map actually. The walls are pretty crazy, eh? So yeah, that is the first waterfalls, right? Maybe you have to, maybe you meant to start from here. A little bit easier, I don't know. Oh, I found it. Well, let's go to the left one, back to that tree. Again, another little sandstone vortex. So this is the way you meant to go. There's little steps coming here. He offered me a stick as well, but I don't think we really need it. Famous last words. Oh, it's a bit of a hole there, but I think it's just staying fairly shallow if we're lucky. Kind of a cool experience, walking these little sandstone chasms. Wow, that's actually pretty sick. The stick just touched me and it felt like some weird animal. I thought it was a crab. I know there's no crabs in here, but it's what it seemed like. So it stuck on me. Wow, yeah, it definitely wasn't a shortcut down. I was correct about that. That's sick. Wow. Can't swim here, but it's cool. Look at that, eh? Look behind the float. Too glary, but too sunny today. Pretty cool. Just going for a little walk past that left waterfall. I don't think there's something here, but I mean, you never know. Looks like there's almost a path on the right there, but it's just strange. No, she looks pretty flat. Well, that's all good. Back to the next one. They're really creative. They decided to call it Krisik Waterfall 1 and Krisik Waterfall 2 and 3 they're crossed out. That means there's a secret one that's closed. See about that one, eh? It says don't throw rubbish, which is pretty standard. You don't need a sign for that. Apparently you do. So it looks like this big gorgie. This is just going to be a trib dropping in and then have the cave, and then we'll probably find another one. Sort of bridge, bamboo and metal. Alright, construction looks a bit how's it going here. Literally a bit of whatever. But we get there. Okay. Back into the water, back into the slot canyon. Wow. That's actually cool. I like it. I heard some kids up here there somewhere. I wonder what this secret track is. Probably the other track in I saw on the map. Dodgy ass fencing. Looks like the near here. Little bicycles. Bicycle helmets. Hopefully gone down the other track, I reckon. Yeah, stoked. Not at all. See how we go with this. That'll be probably the third waterfall up there. That's grouse. That's crazy. Hard to get a good photo of it, but it's sick. Hello. Crazy. Put some flow in it, that's for sure. You can see there's stairs going up the top on the side there, but I don't know if you can get the video or not. Okay, we're just looking a bit further up the canyon here. Met a Polish family. Funny, I have some Polish staying in my hotel next to me, and I met some more. Yeah, it's pretty cool, but it's pretty cool. Pretty sure that probably is the third one, and maybe it was less impressive. They just stopped advertising it. I don't know. We'll go to this corner. We'll have a look. Okay, so I went a tiny bit further. It's got another trip dropping in. Nothing crazy, but it counts as the fourth one. So this corner looks a bit jammed up, so I don't think we'll go any further. We'll just go at least to where the bamboo is and just have one final look before we call it done. All right, it's pretty folded and choked, so pretty happy with that little find. Oh, all right, up and out. Not bad at all, people. Hope you enjoyed Krisik Waterfalls. Come check it out if you're in Bali. And yeah, as always, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit notification bell to get notified of all new misadventures. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.